While we pursue our dreams and strive to align them with the universe, why does manifestation not always happen effortlessly? Explore the secret behind the instant and effortless manifestation of your deepest desires. Have you ever felt frustrated for not getting what you want, even after working hard, meditating, visualizing, and using all the law of attraction techniques you know? Have you ever wondered if there's something you're doing wrong, or if the universe simply isn't on your side? If you resonate with these situations, know that you're not alone. Many people struggle to manifest their desires and end up feeling discouraged, hopeless, and powerless. But it doesn't have to be this way. There is a way to manifest your desires instantly and effortlessly, and it's within your reach. You just need to discover the secret that will change your life forever. The secret is simple yet powerful. It's based on a fundamental principle that governs all creation: vibration. Everything in the universe vibrates at a certain frequency, and that frequency determines what you attract or repel in your reality. When you vibrate at the same frequency as your desires, you manifest them instantly and effortlessly. But when you vibrate at a different frequency, you create resistance, blockages, and delays in your manifestation. So, how can you vibrate at the same frequency as your desires? How can you align with the universe and allow it to flow through you, bringing everything you want into your experience? The answer is simple. You need to become the version of yourself that already has everything you desire. You need to feel as if you already are the person you want to be, and act as if you already have everything you want. This may seem contradictory, but that's how it works. The universe doesn't respond to what you want, but to who you are. It doesn't respond to your words, but to your feelings. It doesn't respond to your actions, but to your intentions. When you feel and act as if you already have what you desire, you send a clear message to the universe that you are ready to receive. You align with your essence, and the universe aligns with you. This doesn't mean you should pretend or lie to yourself. It means you must acknowledge and accept your creative power and take responsibility for your reality. It means you should trust and thank the universe and release control over the outcome. When you do this, you free yourself from the limitations, fears, and doubts that hinder your manifestation. You open yourself to the infinite possibilities that the universe has to offer. You are amazed by how quickly and effortlessly your desires come true. This is the way to manifest your desires instantly and effortlessly. This is the way to live the life of your dreams. This is how you become a master of manifestation, and you can start right now. Just choose a desire you want to manifest and ask yourself, how would I feel if I already had this desire? How would I act if I were already that person? What would I do if I were already living that reality? Then, do a simple yet powerful exercise. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Imagine that you already have your desire and feel the emotion it brings you. Feel the joy, gratitude, peace, love, or any positive emotion associated with your desire. Maintain that feeling for a few minutes and let it spread throughout your body. Feel like you're vibrating at the same frequency as your desire and that it's coming to you. Feel like you and the universe are one and that everything is possible. Afterward, open your eyes and act as if your desire were already a reality. Do the things you would do if you already had what you want. Say the things you would say if you were already who you want to be. Be the person you want to be and live the reality you want to live. Repeat this exercise every day until your desire manifests. Don't worry about the time, the way, or the means by which it will happen. Just trust, be grateful, and let go. Let the universe do its work and prepare yourself to receive. This is the secret of instant and effortless manifestation. This is the secret that will transform your life. This is the secret I share with you today. But you might be wondering, how do I know this secret works? How can I be sure that the universe is listening to me? How can I recognize the signs that my manifestation is approaching? These are very common questions, and I'll answer them for you. But first, I want you to understand something very important. The secret I revealed to you is not a magic formula or a foolproof recipe. It's a powerful tool that depends on your application, persistence, and faith. It's not enough to do the exercise once and then revert to your old habits, thoughts, and feelings. It's not enough to expect the universe to do everything for you without you doing your part. It's not enough to doubt your power, your worthiness, and your capability. You need to commit to your desire and to your manifestation process. You need to dedicate yourself to your personal growth and inner transformation. You need to connect with your purpose and your life mission. When you do this, you activate your creative potential, and the universe responds to your vibration. It sends you signs, synchronicities, and opportunities that guide you toward your manifestation. It shows you that it's working in your favor and that it wants the best for you. But how can you notice these signs? How can you interpret and make use of them? How can you stay aligned with the universe and your desire? The answer is simple. You need to pay attention. You need to be aware of what happens around you and within you. You need to be open to receiving the messages the universe sends and to act upon them. There are various types of signs the universe might send, and they can vary depending on your desire and how you communicate with the universe. However, some of the most common signs include repeated or sequential numbers such as 11 and 11, 222, 333, among others. These are called angel numbers, indicating the universe is supporting, protecting, and guiding you. They may also have specific meanings you can research or intuit. Words, phrases, names, or images related to your desire appearing unexpectedly or frequently in books, magazines, billboards, social media, conversations, etc. These are confirmation signs indicating the universe is showing your desire is on its way and that you're on the right track. Dreams, visions, intuitions, or hunches related to your desire providing information, guidance, or insights into your manifestation process. These are guidance signs showing the universe is offering advice, tips, or solutions for your desire. They might also be a way the universe tests if you're ready to receive or if you need further preparation. Coincidences, encounters, events, or situations leading you to people, places, or things assisting your desire manifestation or related to it. These are synchronicity signs indicating the universe is aligning everything for your realization. These are some examples of signs the universe might send, but there are many more. What matters is being attentive, receptive, and grateful for these signs and confidently following them with joy. But be careful. Do not become obsessed with these signs, nor rely on them for your manifestation. Remember that they are just a way the universe communicates with you, not the end goal itself. Don't let them distract you from your desire or make you doubt your power. You are the creator of your reality, and the universe is your partner. You don't need signs to manifest what you want, but they can help you stay aligned, motivated, and inspired. They can show you that you're on the right path and that your desire is getting closer. But what to do when your desire manifests? How can you make the most out of its realization? How can you keep your vibration high and continue manifesting more good things in your life? The answer is simple. You need to celebrate. You need to rejoice in your success and acknowledge your merit. You need to thank the universe and yourself for your manifestation. You need to feel happy, proud, and satisfied with your desire. When you celebrate your desire, you send a message to the universe that you're happy with what you've received and that you want more of it. You raise your vibration and attract more abundance, prosperity, and happiness into your life. You become a magnet for good things, but don't settle with your desire. Don't limit yourself to what you already have, nor forget about your other desires. Don't stop dreaming or striving to grow and evolve. Don't stop challenging yourself or being surprised. You can manifest anything you want and more. You can live the life you've always dreamed of and beyond. You can become the best version of yourself and more. You can be, do, and have everything your heart desires. You just need to use the secret I shared with you today. You just need to feel and act as if you already have what you want. You just need to vibrate at the same frequency as your desires and align yourself with the universe. That's the secret to instant and effortless manifestation. That's the secret that will transform your life. That's the secret I'm sharing with you today. And you, what do you want to manifest? How do you feel and act as if you already have your desire? Share in the comments and let's support each other on this journey of growth and fulfillment. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to not miss any content. Share this video with your friends, family, and on your social networks, and help more people discover the power of manifestation. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next video.